Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is part 2 of box edition. Today we're making box trucks. So, I hope you guys enjoy. Peace.
So guys, in the last video we did the racing car. Today we're gonna do the truck, as Max said before. I'm making an handle for this blade so no one get cut.
A truck from a box? I can't wait to see this. A truck from a box.
It's not crazy. It's gonna be the end. You know, if you have like a transportation project in school to do, this is a good way. How do you do it again? I don't remember. Okay, something like this. You see anything?
Oh. Huh? Yeah.
So yeah guys, the body gonna attach to this stick, the body of the truck. So we're gonna now we're gonna use 2 more boxes to make the body.
Look at this.
Yeah. Then we're gonna bore a hole at the top. What I did. So if you want it, I give you a hand.
Should I paint it red and make it black? Like the green truck.
There's a marker. This is called, you know, the mud guard, right? Behind the truck.
Oh, there. Oh.
Yeah. So now you use the scissors and cut it. Right.
Let's go down.
Yeah. Right, you have to make it easier for you to screw. Trying to remove it off. Alright, we could start it with that and use the scissors and finish it. You can use the scissors now if you want. Finish it.
Too small.
Too small?
It's not gonna go. Yours go?
Yeah. It should.
Oh. It's not.
Yeah.
No. Okay, guys, we're at the end of our box truck. I hope you guys love the video that we made, and I hope you guys like, share, and subscribe, and comment what to do next. So, peace out.
Yeah. See you in the next one, guys. This is just if you have a transportation project to do at school, this is just an idea for you.
We got you.
We got you, right? We got you. My 10-wheeler tractor.
Yo. 10 wheelers.